This is my 2004 Jeep TJ. I just did the LED taillight swap out on it that I picked up out of the bargain bin there for cheap. It's got the LED turn signals, marker lights. I got HID headlights in there too that I picked up off eBay. The winch and lift and everything I did all myself, really. The side marker lights turned out really good. They're nice and bright. My third brake light's just a 2-inch round LED that I picked up from Princess Auto also and just popped in there. I just took the rubber off. I wired it up to my third brake light inside through my loom here. It's where my CD wire is attached to too. Right turn signal, or left turn signal, right turn signal, brake lights, 4 ways, that should be my reverse light. That's her pretty much. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching.